Imagine a glowing, floating orb of light suddenly appearing during a thunderstorm. This is ball lightning, one of nature's most baffling mysteries. Witnesses describe spheres ranging from pea-sized to several meters wide, drifting eerily through the air before vanishing with a pop or a bang. Scientists have struggled to explain it for centuries. Some theories suggest vaporized silicon or plasma trapped by magnetic fields, but no single explanation fits all reports. Ball lightning remains so rare and unpredictable that it's almost impossible to study, making it one of science's most electrifying enigmas.